Sears proudly introduces one of the most versatile cooking products ever brought to market. 6 products in one. The new Kenmore Elite SpeedCook oven with Advantium 120 technology.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Enscott, and I'm here to show you how to cook better meals faster and easier than you've ever cooked before. Your new Kenmore Elite SpeedCook oven is the most exciting development your kitchen has seen in the past 25 years. It can literally change your life, letting you prepare delicious, freshly cooked meals up to 4 times faster than a conventional oven takes. With your Kenmore Elite SpeedCook oven, you'll spend more time enjoying meals with your family and less time in the kitchen. Yet, not only does this oven provide oven-quality food quickly, it provides you with the versatility you've always wanted in an over-the-range product. A second oven that operates just as your conventional oven operates, a 900-watt microwave oven, a warming drawer, a vent fan for all your cooktop cooking, and a surface light that doubles as a handy nightlight when you need it. To get the most from your new oven, there are a few important things that you should know. So stay with us, won't you? And let me show you how to start cooking the Kenmore Elite way. How do you cook oven-quality foods ultra-fast with an oven that's easy to use and easy to clean? Why not harness the intensity of light and the speed of microwave and get great results every time, time after time? The Kenmore Elite SpeedCook oven has harnessed the power of light, combining high-intensity halogen bulbs and radiant lamps above and below the cooking area. This Kenmore Elite SpeedCook oven bakes, browns, and roasts just like your conventional oven, but there's no preheating because it cooks simultaneously from the top, the bottom, as well as from the inside. Cooking is faster, plus flavor is sealed in. Meats, baked goods, and casseroles brown beautifully on the outside, but stay moist and tender on the inside. Here's the proof. These chicken breasts have been cooking for less than 11 minutes. Just look at them. Crisp and brown on the outside, tender and juicy. Your Kenmore Elite SpeedCook oven makes cooking easier than it's ever been before. Your oven is already preset to cook over 100 of America's favorite dishes. Adjusting those options to fit your individual tastes is easy too. Or you can skip the automatic controls and direct the entire process yourself. Let's start speed cooking. Let's say you'd like to have freshly prepared chicken for dinner, but you know that takes about an hour and a half in a conventional oven and your family won't wait. Just watch this. I've placed fresh whole chicken in this oven-safe cooking dish. You'll want to thaw meats before cooking just as with a conventional oven. Or for pre-packaged frozen foods, follow the package directions. Once the chicken is inside the oven, I press the Speed Cook button. I turn the dial to the food menu option and gently push the dial to enter. Then I turn the selector dial until chicken appears. I push the dial to enter. Then I turn the selector dial again until whole chicken appears. I push the dial again to enter. See, the oven even asks me how large the chicken is. I select the right size by turning the dial and push. Then I just press the selector dial or push the start button to cook. The cooking time and power levels are set automatically. If you make a mistake, simply push the back button. This will take you back to a previous selection in the menu for correction. Now, here's the part that makes your oven so special. After 25 minutes, I just open the oven door. The oven stops automatically. I remove the chicken so I can add vegetables. Notice that I'm using oven mitts. For cooking dish, the door and the inside surfaces get hot, just like with a conventional oven, so take care. I add the raw vegetables and pop the dish back inside the oven. press the selector dial again or the start button and cooking starts back up. You'll see the oven lights come on and off during the cooking cycle. That's normal. Your Kenmore Elite SpeedCook oven has several features that make cooking easy and eliminate guesswork. When roasting meats, for example, the oven will stop and tell you when the food should be turned over. For pizza or cookies, your oven will prompt you to check to see if your food is done. As with conventional oven cooking, you'll still want to keep an eye on your food to make sure it cooks to your liking. You may also see this message, optimizing cook time. That's your oven's way of automatically adjusting to minor variations in the electrical power in your home. This will assure your food always gets the optimal amount of cooking time. It's been 40 minutes since I first started the chicken, and I'm being signaled that it's already done. Don't believe it? See for yourself. The chicken is perfectly roasted and the vegetables are just right. By now you've noticed that your oven has a rotating oven rack or turntable support. Rotating the food creates even exposure to the lamps for even cooking. Always make sure that the black metal tray is used and that the turntable support is securely in place on the spindle in the center of the oven floor. With your Kenmore Elite oven, you also get a black metal cooking tray. This also serves as your baking sheet. You should get excellent results by placing food directly on it. Notice that the oven display reminds you to use the black metal tray before you press start. Always use the black metal tray when speed cooking, even if you're using an oven-safe dish like this one. To keep food from sticking, using olive oil or another high-quality cooking oil is recommended. Cooking sprays may also be used but may create some smoke during cooking. Check your cooking guide, cookbook, or use and care guide for convenient tips on food placement. The glass microwave turntable is designed for when you use the microwave features. Yes, your new Kenmore Elite SpeedCook oven can be used just like an ordinary microwave oven. All it takes is a simple push of a button. In fact, whenever programming any cooking function, the procedure is the same. Just a simple turn and press. I'll show you how to program microwave functions in a moment. In addition to the cooking tray that comes with your oven, you can also use non-metal casserole dishes, pie plates, and other oven-safe cookware. Just place them on the black metal tray. Make sure you select a size that will easily rotate. Refer to your cooking guide or use and care manual for additional information on cookware selection. But here's an important tip to remember. Plastic containers like this, paper trays, foil, or cooking bags shouldn't be used in your oven for speed cooking. Just like in your conventional oven, they can melt or ignite. However, normal microwave-safe non-metal containers can be used when you use the microwave feature only. Even with all its preset options, sometimes you'll want to control the cooking yourself. To do that, just push the Speed Cook button, then select the Manual Cook option. Turn and push the selector dial to set your cooking time. Then turn and push the selector dial to set each of your power levels. A higher upper power setting will utilize more upper heater power, browning foods faster on top. The lower power setting controls the amount of browning on the bottom of the food. Set these according to the amount of power you need for the type of food you're cooking. You want to see your cooking guide or cookbook for recommendations. After setting each power level, push the dial in or use the start button to start cooking. Keep in mind too that even when you're cooking a preset speed cook food, you have the flexibility to change the power levels or time. Refer to your use and care manual for easy instructions.